Bonjour, televiewers!
I'm Chef JC.
And I'm Chef Kat.
And for now,
We're going to teach you how to make a healthy cookie which is good for the heart. And this is squash cookie.
so we have to prepare the necessary material, mixing bowl, golden ladle, rubber spatula, spoon, flattened ladle, wire whisk, highball glass, measuring spoon, measuring cup, and baking sheet. And also,
Here are the ingredients in making squash cookies. We have 200 grams sliced and peeled squash, 60 grams butter, 1 2/3 cups flour, 1/4 cup peanuts, grounded peanuts, 150 grams brown sugar, 1 piece of egg, allspice ground, salt, and thyme.
so first we have to boil squash for 10 minutes. Start.
While waiting for 10 minutes, we have to mix the brown sugar and the butter in the mixing bowl. For a while. Partner? Perfect. Continue. So I have to mix the butter, the egg, and the sugar. Partner, can you do this?
Okay.
This will be so delicious, guys. Promise. I promise. It looks like cereal. It looks like cereal, and it smells so good. Kids will really love it. So next step, so we have to add 1/4 teaspoon of allspice ground. So we have this. So add it. The aroma. This will be perfect.
Start.
Like ground spice, so we have to add 1/4 salt, 1/4 teaspoon.
So it's already 10 minutes, so we're going to get the squash and we're going to use flattened ladle.
Please be careful.
Okay.
Partner, be careful.
Thanks. You know what, partner? You're
What
so
partner?
beautiful.
You're so, you know what? I can't explain. So partner,
Go. So we have to smash the squash.
mash it very well
Yeah.
until it become like clay. Right, partner?
Yeah.
Yan, ang hirap na makita sa mga.
one tip in making a perfect cookie is that the consistency of the dough. Make it sure that the dough looks like a cake. So continue mixing. Televiewers, this is now our final dough. Partner?
So prepare the baking sheets and put butter in order to avoid the cookies to be stick and for easy removal.
This scoop for even measures. So, 1 scoop for 1 cookie. So you put it there and then that's it. So you have to use a spoon to make it flat, brown, and crispy. Everyone, we have to create like this. After that, we have to get the nibs, the colorful nibs, and put this one by one, like this. You continue lang ka. It is changed especially for the kids, right, partner?
Yes, partner.
Dapat for sure, partner. So while baking cookies, so you have to smile, laugh, in order for you not to be bored, right, partner? And for our final output, we have this. I am very, very excited to taste these cookies, right, partner?
Yes,
So
Partner.
we have to prepare the oven for our lovely televiewers. So add the final topping, which is the grounded nuts. And so like this. So this is now the very, very, very final phase of the cookies. So how much is the temperature?
So 375 Fahrenheit.
So we have to open
Wait, partner.
slowly. Viewers, did you know that this squash cookies is very healthy? Don't you know why? Partner, ask me why.
Why?
Alright, so this squash cookies is very healthy because it provides nutritional values such as vitamin A,
Good for the eyes.
fiber,
Good for digestion.
omega-3,
Good for the heart.
and potassium for stronger
Stronger
bones.
bones.